Ensconced in the serene landscapes of the picturesque Chikkamagaluru's Moodigere Taluk, which is about 260 kilometers from Bengaluru, the Deva Vrinda Prasanna Rameshwara temple is a spiritual gem steeped in history and devotion. Believed to date back several centuries, this temple is a testimony to Karnataka's rich heritage, blending mythology with the natural beauty of the Western Ghats. According to the Sthala Purana, or what is known as the regional history, it is believed that Lord Rama was captivated by the beauty of this place and chose to stay here for some time during his 12 years of Aranyavasa. And learning of his presence, the gods and goddesses descended to be with him, giving the site its name, Deva Vrinda, meaning congregation of gods. The presiding deity here, Lord Rameshwara, is revered as an embodiment of Lord Shiva, and the shrine exudes an aura of tranquility and divine energy. Sages like Kapila and Parashurama are believed to have performed penance here. The temple, originally built by the first Kadamba king in the 1st century AD, later received patronage and was developed by the Hoysalas and Vijayanagara kings. There are shrines for Channakeshava, Ganapati, Parvati and Veerabhadra within the premises of the temple. Come, discover the enchanting aura of the temple where divinity meets tranquility. Immerse yourself in the sacred vibrations that soothe your soul and ignite your spirit. Don't miss the chance to feel the bliss and harmony waiting just for you while you are in this part of Chikkamagalu.